Yo, I'm Jay Reese. I'm an engineer, a producer. I spent most of my life engineering. I've used Pro Tools for a good deal of it. And I'm going to show you something about the zoom control. Stay tuned.
Yeah, Jay Reese. Oh my God.
Alright, one of the main important things while editing and mixing down is the ability to zoom in. You see that? See how I'm able to zoom in? And several different ways, okay? This is real important. So like you heard a problem here. Okay, so you want to tune into this wave for whatever reason. But a lot of times, you don't see this over here. Usually, it look like this, all right? So you don't see the zoom controls. So now, how am I supposed to zoom in? You know, you get to zoom in with the magnifying glass, but it's not effective. The fast way to do it is you need zoom control. What you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to the right-hand corner, and you're gonna hit this drop screen. The first selection you see on mine says zoom control. So I'm gonna click on zoom control. Now you're gonna notice over here in this area, this pops out. Then that's when you get more control and you can zoom in and out all the way back. Then you just, you want to zoom in like that way, and it's real helpful. But yeah, hope that helped. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and see you next time.
Yeah, Jay Reese. Oh my God.